TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, good afternoon. This is Larry Pesavento for TFNN. Wait 1 second. Trying to get this echo out of here. We're going to give you a round-the-world trip today, folks, on the markets of the world. Let's start out over one of my favorite places in Hong Kong. We'll count that as Hong Kong and China. Look at this pattern, folks. You see this one? It was completed today, and it is now 500 points below that level. That's a 3-drive to a top at a 1.618 expansion. That's a pretty negative thing, okay? Now, the next one, we're going to switch over. We're going to go back to Europe, in the land of the king and queen, and there you can see the FTSE. Look at this absolutely incredible head and shoulders pattern, folks. It's as awesome as it gets, and as you can see, the low close here does it, and here we are looking at some of these dates coming in here. Gee, it's going to be interesting what happens here, but that is a perfectly symmetrical head and shoulders pattern, just lined up as nicely as it could possibly be. I've got a couple others here that I think is very important, because as we come in the German DAX, let's get over here. We don't want to forget our friends from Germany. This also has a 3-drive pattern, double top, and look at the big reversal from that double top. Make a higher, slightly higher high than here, and then big reversal down 4% in just 2 days. So very, very interesting on all of these. All I can tell you, folks, is you be careful coming in on Monday, because if this market closes, it's supposed to top sometime in today, the 20th to the 21st, Thursday or Friday. If it comes in early, be really careful on Monday, because there's a chance, a slight chance, of course, but it could actually happen. And the reason why I say that is the last time something like this occurred was in 1929. There was the August low, there was a September high. We came down, rallied 8 days. And if we look at the NASDAQ, this is the 8th day of the rally of the NASDAQ, because it bottomed on the 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th. That's it. That's where we are. We're going to look at these charts when we come back from the break, I hope, and we'll be able to see them all at time. I've got to get the little old clock up here. We've got 2 markets that really need our attention, so try to do that today. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be right back.
In the world